Hello everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel Molding Minds. Have you ever experienced that when you try to concentrate on your studies, you sit with your books and your timetable and everything, and one notification pops up on your phone from Instagram, Snapchat or I don't know what, and then you forget that you had planned to study. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं आजकल बच्चों के पास मोबाइल, टैबलेट, लैपटॉप सब कुछ है बिकॉज सारी पढ़ाई जो है वो ऑनलाइन चल रही है. ठीक है, तो इंटरनेट पे हर चीज़ अवेलेबल है. जिस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको चाहिए एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल, बट इट इज़ अप टू अस हाउ वी यूज़ इंटरनेट एंड आवर डिवाइसेस, मोबाइल डिवाइसेस वेरी प्रोडक्टिवली. Nowadays there is an app for almost everything, and if you choose wisely these apps can make a student's life really much more easier, organized and fun. So today I'm going to talk about 5 apps which are going to be really useful for each and every student, and they are going to make you more productive, more organized, and they are going to make your homework really easy. I've tried to pick up free apps with millions of downloads and very good reviews. So let's get started. With millions of users and billions of problems solved, Mathway is world's #1 math problem solver. It is a powerful app that can help you to solve your problems from basic maths, trigonometry, algebra and whatnot. Simply you just have to type your questions and within fraction of seconds you will get your answers. For the free version of the app you will get only answer in 1 or 2 steps. If you want the detailed answers step by step you have to pay rupees 399 and you will get detailed answers. This app is very helpful for students who find maths difficult, and this app can make all your homework and assignments in mathematics really easy to do, and it will make maths fun for you. नेक्स्ट मैं बात करूँगी फॉरेस्ट ऐप के बारे में. ये एक बहुत ही यूज़फुल ऐप है स्पेसिफिकली उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो आसानी से डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. सो दिस ऐप हेल्प्स यू टू स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन लाइफ. व्हेन यू हैव टू प्लांट अ वर्चुअल ट्री एंड योर ट्री विल ग्रो व्हाइल यू फोकस ऑन योर वर्क. अगर काम करते करते बीच में अगर आपने फ़ोन को टच किया, इफ़ यू ट्राई टू यूज़ योर फोन एंड क्लोज द ऐप, द प्लांट विच यू हैव प्लांटेड विल डाई. So stay focused daily and turn hard work into a land of lush green forest. You have to be patient and keep doing your work without touching your phone. Once you set an alarm, for example here I have set an alarm for 25 minutes. As soon as I give up, my planted tree will die and all my hard work will go away. So this way it keeps you away from distractions and you can focus on your work and study very well. Brainly is an absolutely great app. It provides a very good platform for students, parents and teachers to ask and answer homework questions. You can ask any question which you need answer for and you will find millions of people answering for you. For example, I am just typing a question here. What is the difference between Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? And see how many answers I got for this question. So many answers. and there is a detailed answer here. Most of the content on this app is free. So many different answers for the same question. If you want a detailed answer, you get that. If you want short answer, you get that. Then there are textbooks, NCERT textbooks available online on this app. Next app is School Planner app. This is a widely used app among students. As you can see, it has 5 million plus downloads. This app helps you to throw away your paper diary and makes you much more organized. You can set up your timetable according to time of the day. For example, here I'll mark at 4 p.m. So every Monday at 4 p.m. I'll get a notification to start studying science. So in that way you can become much more organized. You can mark your important events, your project submission dates. You can even add your weekly performance or your exam marks in this app, and then later on you can compare your marks, like attendance, subjects, agenda for the week or agenda for the day. You can add all these things and you will get time to time notifications for those things. Students are always busy with the homework and assignments. They hardly get time to read the newspaper. But InShorts app makes it possible for students to stay in touch with the world by giving crisp news headlines in just 60 words. If you want to read the detailed article, just swipe left and read the whole article. So friends, these were the 5 applications which I really liked, and I felt that these are really useful for all the students. Do try out these apps and let me know in the comment box how was your experience using these apps. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.